Hello everybody, this is episode 2 of the design and build process of my garage fire alarm security system. So this weekend the work I got done is running this new line, dedicated 15 amp service for the fire alarm system. I installed a tandem breaker and we just had 20 amp. We changed it out to a tandem, so this top one is going to be the fire system. Nothing's hooked up yet. That's why the wire is not connected to the panel yet. I have to update my legend. So that's what this guy is right here. It's nothing secured yet because we do have it going up and down. On this side, we have this box put in. It's not secured yet. This is going to be for a pull station. That is a cutout for a 2-gang box for a fire alarm and even a speaker strobe. Then we're going to have an emergency light fixture here. We have this, which is that loose piece of wire going to the panel, fire panel, and this is coming from the electrical panel, which is not hooked up yet. We don't have any smokes up yet in this space. I need to do some more investigation with how much space I have here and which way the joists go. So it's gonna be a little bit more tougher than I thought, and same with up here. I don't have as much access to the attic from up here as I thought I did, but that's okay. That's what makes it fun. In here, we have that alarm up. It's not connected yet, but I put it up just so it looks decorative, and so you guys can see how that's gonna look. We have the magnet up for this door contact. We're gonna be having a smaller contact, this little guy, for this thing, for this window, and then a larger one, which I thought was here somewhere. It's just a larger one, which is going to be for the garage. So that's it for this update. Stay tuned for next weekend. Hopefully I got some more stuff done. See you soon.